So now I am going to cut the Coro parts from the laser cut Coro sheet. We are going to cut the part A. This we are cutting the fuselage left portion. As we move ahead, we come to the tail part. We are going to take out the doubler. Now I am going to take out the right portion of the fuselage. I'll show. First of all, I will take out the formers from this sheet A. We have taken out one former, keeping it side. This is the other former we are taking out from this sheet A. Now I'm going to show the right side of the fuse. Here we consist of the door. We are going to take out the former notch. Notch 2. Here, this is the circle for fitting the wing joiners are used here, which is going to pass through this fuse and attach through the rubber bands. Notch, another. This is the last one, last notch. So this one is ready. We are going to remove the airfoil part. This is the waste. We are going to pass wing through this one. This is the right. Now we are going to clear the left portion of the fuse. After cutting the parts from the Coro sheet A, here we are with the part. This is the left portion of the fuselage. This is the right portion of the fuselage. This is former number 3. Former number 2 is made up of the MDF. This is former number 4 and the former number 5. This is doubler for battery mounting. So now we are going to cut the Coro parts from the part B of the Coro sheet. We are cutting the fuselage roof. We are cutting the second part of the part B Coro sheet. This is the tail roof. It consists of 2 servo mount holes. And here this is the notch for fitting the tail. Now we are going to cut the section C of the Coro sheet. This is doubler. We are laser cut, so it is easy to just put the knife. We are going to remove the notch of the airfoil. These are the holes which we have done to lighten the aircraft. Another hole we have done. I'm moving toward the part D. This is the bottom portion of the fuselage. Consists of the 5 notches. We have removed these notches now. Last one. Now we are going to assemble the fuselage. This is the left portion of the fuselage. We are going to glue the doubler, and we are going to attach with the left portion of the fuselage. Then we are going to glue the another doubler, and we are going to glue with the right section of the fuselage. And other thing I would like to tell that these both doublers are similar, so we can glue in the vice versa. We are going to match the notches. Check it out, everything is okay. After that we are going to use the CA adhesive. Little bit, and match the notches. Check everywhere, everything is okay. Similarly, gluing everywhere. Left section of the fuselage is already done. Here we have the door, we can check it. Now we are going to do the right section. Firstly we are going to match the notches. Now using the CA adhesive again, we have to do it slowly and gradually. Everything is okay. Yeah, done. Gluing everywhere properly. Now the right section is also done. This is former number 1, 2, 3, 4. Seeing this, the notch is downward. In the former number 2. Now former number 3. Former number 4. The last one, former number 5. Make sure these are attached properly so that while flying don't come out. Now we are going to attach another fuselage section to the formers. This is the laser cut motor mount. While pushing, we can easily do the holes here. Now we are going to fit this motor mount to the fuselage. Using the CA adhesive, we are going to glue the other side. So we have done glued this last former. Now we are going to continue and add this bottom portion of the fuselage. First fix this properly. Check everything is matched. Every notch is matched with its former. Okay, now I'm going to glue the number one. Second former is already done. Now moving toward the third. We should try to place it properly so that everything looks perfect. From inside also we are going to see it. Okay. Now the fourth number of the former is to be glued. Make sure that the gluing portion is done properly from the back side also. Yeah, and the last one is left. The first one is already done now. Now checking if everything is proper. Looks perfect now. Gluing this portion. See, we have glued everything properly. Nothing is left. Now going to glue the tail roof. You can see it. How to glue? First of all, notches are matched. Before that, little bit we are going to curve it because it's going to fit in the curve portion of the tail part. Sorry. It's fitting properly. So now before moving ahead, we are going to use this MDF formers, MDF doublers, 2 servo doublers are here. For that we have to make the epoxy, which I am going to take out from the part box. So we have properly curved this. It's you can see that it's fitting properly. So now, before moving ahead, and we are going to use this 2 servo doublers are here. For that we have to make the epoxy. Make sure that it is properly mixed, and this epoxy will stick this doubler. Yeah, that's ready. So now putting the epoxy. Leave it for some time for wetting it. Taking out this. These notches are done for control horns. Yeah, this is done. We're clearing the notches for control horns for the rudder. Yeah, everything is clear now. So now we are going to first check everything is okay. Yeah, it's perfect. Using the control horns. Okay, you can see laser cut. We can easily push this into the holes easily. We are going to check this. Yeah, done. So now I'm going to glue this part. First I'm going to fit this. Okay, this is done. Using this CA adhesive, now I am going to tell you which portion I am going to fit this. First of all, I am going to place this horizontal stabilizer, and this is a vertical stabilizer. I am going to place this now I am fitting this. Everything checked, so I am going to glue with CA. As this is done, so we are going to glue with our CA is here. Matching the notches. Wait for the while and use glue and move forward. ahead. I have to glue this, putting the CA adhesive on the end notches and so using CA adhesive again I am going to glue this portion. This side is done. Now do the other side. Everything seems to be okay, and using this glue upper and the lower portion of this and the other side also. So we can see this horizontal and the vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer are properly fitted, and so moving toward the to the fuselage center. This is doubler which is used for mounting the battery. We are going to glue this. Before that I am going to tell the location where I am going to put this. I am going to use this doubler. I am going to glue with the CA here, and then I am going to stick this. You can see little I am using on this also. See, this is done. Now moving toward the fuselage top portion, this portion. I am going to use this. First of all, I am going to fit this and check everything. Yeah, it's okay. Now I am going to glue whole of this upside down. Match the notch. Using some more CA. This is a female velcro I'm going to use here. Removing this strip. Placing this somewhere here. Check this. Yeah. So this is done.